Hello and welcome to Keepsales. Now in this video, we will be looking at some basic SMS functionalities that is supposed to provide you with a template you can use to send specific SMS messages to your customers. Okay, so the various functionalities as we can see here are displayed on this page. Okay, so you can take a look at them. But in this video, we will be looking at how to use the automatic total daily sales SMS alert. Okay, in previous videos, I've already talked about the first three as a new transaction SMS alert, the after sale thank you SMS with receipt automatic, and then the after sale thank you SMS with receipt manual. So in this video, we'll be looking at what the automatic total daily sales SMS alert is and how you can use it. So let's click on that and see what it is. So if we read what is here, it says you will receive an SMS alert of your total daily sales each day at a specific time you choose. So you stay updated on your daily sales each day regardless of how busy or tired you are. Okay, so this is very, very important if you're a business owner, and then as you remotely monitor your shop, you want to be able to receive SMS alerts of your total daily sales so that you have your you're able to monitor the operations and what is going on. Okay, so to do that, you have to first activate this. Okay, so you click in the toggle button, and then it actually activates for you. Then now you have to provide the recipient number. It says that phone numbers of people allowed to receive the total sale for the day alert. Okay, so if it's just one number, you have to enter the number in this box. Okay, you have to use the international format. It's very, very key. You have to use the international format. So if you are from Ghana, you use a +233. If you are from Nigeria, you use +234. If you are from Kenya, you can just check it out. You use the international format that that's standard for Kenya. So that's just by the way. So let's say we enter. Okay, so let's say we enter this number, and then we have to schedule a time. So it's asking what time would you like to receive this alert. So then you have to specify that at 11 p.m. okay, every day you want to be able to receive your total daily sales. If you want to see it at 6, you can set it at whichever time you want. So you just click on it. Now there are 4 samples that are provided, 4 default time samples that are provided. So there's 5 p.m., there's 7 p.m., there's 9 p.m., and there is 11 p.m. So you're actually entitled to any of these 4. Okay, you can't actually customize the time that you want. Okay, so once you've done that, you just click to save changes. Okay, so it tells you it's been successful and that you'll be able to receive your automatic total daily sales SMS alert. Okay, so when you click on done, now every time that your total sale you make sales for the day, at the time that you selected, right at that time, an SMS text will be sent to you telling you what your total sales has been for that particular day. Okay, so that is it for automatic total daily sales SMS alert. Is automatic. Okay, you just activate it, you provide the number or the numbers that you receive those SMS texts, and then you schedule a time to receive those texts as well. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. I will be looking at the rest of the basic the SMS functionality, so do check them all out in the subsequent video. I'm looking forward to seeing you in our next video. Do have a nice time, and bye bye.